Okay guys, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we are doing a lipstick. So pretty basic tutorial. We're going to go ahead, delete the default cube, and we're going to go with, let's add a cylinder in here, just stretched out a little bit, and then press G, bring it up, and then we'll go to edit mode, selects the face underneath. We're going to go E for extrude, bring it out just slightly, scale it out. And then we're going to go E for extrude, bring it down. And then just to bevel the bottom, we're just going to go E for extrude and then just scale it in just slightly. For the top half, we're just going to take this face right here, just press G, bring it up a little bit. We'll do E for extrude, scale inwards. E for extrude, don't move it, scale inwards, and then E for extrude, we'll move it down just slightly and then scale inwards. And then for the middle, we're just going to go E for extrude and just bring it all the way down. So this will be the base of the lipstick, so we will right click, shade smooth, and then we'll place this one as black. If you haven't already, just adjust your render engine from Eevee to cycles. So now we will do the lipstick in the middle. So we're going to take a cylinder again. Just press G, bring it up, scale it down a little bit. It should just roughly be the same size. You could scale that up. G, bring it down just slightly, and then what we're going to do, we'll go into edit mode. Take this face right here, E for extrude, and then just rotate it sideways. G, bring it forward, and then you can just scale it out just slightly, and then scale it in on this point. I'm going to rotate that just a little bit more. Okay, so we have that one, and then we can right click, shade smooth, so we kind of have this nice little lipstick going on. We'll place this as kind of a dark red. Just kind of tone it off a little bit. So we got this kind of look. So now the only thing that's left is to put the top on this. So we can go with, let's go with the cylinder. Again, G, bring it up, scale it outwards, and make sure that it just matches up to here. Press G. Oh, come on. And then I'm going to scale it up all the way so that it's covering this. I'm just going to go on X-ray so we can see what I'm doing. Oops. Okay, that's weird. Oh, there we go. And then I'm just going to place this down. So it should just be roughly just sit within that. We go to edit, press G, make sure there's plenty of room for the lipstick on the inside. And then we'll select this bottom face right here. We've got E for extrude, don't move it, scale it inwards just slightly. Just enough, hold on. Scale it out just slightly. E for extrude, and just bring it up onto the middle. So, what you should have is this kind of nice little outer casing for the lipstick. You can kind of pull it out a little bit if you want to, just so that it all sits and fits in the correct place. So, with this one, we're going to want to go right click, shade smooth, go to materials tab and go to glass. I know you notice that it's a little bit frosted, so just take this down a little bit. So there's a little bit of frosting on there, but not full frosting. Yeah, and that's your basic kind of lipstick going on. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.